You are the senior kindred. You can blow it. You can blow it. Skogul will assist because you haven't had that yet.
Oh,
Well,
wait a minute.
Just like always, don't worry about it. It's easy.
Okay.
And then Stig and I can do the sunbuild ceremony in the middle of the book. It's the other work.
Well, who's gonna film all this epicness?
You are. You can do 3 jobs at the same time. You always
You
do it for
right.
me.
You right.
Yeah, and you can do them well. I'm just going to eat my jelly bread.
Okay, this looks kind of creepy.
Cut, edit.
Caw.
Make us look like rock stars. Oh. It's food.
Did you see that with the dude?
He wants to do a 4-foot around.
It's got to be able to stay on the thing. That's all.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Men can't measure size. Ask our sister how big it is.
How big is that?
Whatever you want.
It's just big. It's bigger than you.
There she is.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Get it, Barney. Get. He's like, what? What am I getting?
You're supposed to be working, bro.
Oh, I am. I'm clearing snow.
He's in charge of motivation and happiness.
And the law. How do you fight the law?
When you're the law, you can do whatever the you want.
I don't believe that. I don't see no snow on her fingers.
What is this, a batting range?
Yeah, we can play baseball.
Ooh, line drive.
The boss is here.
Get back to work.
Oh no! Oh no! It's the.
I just had to.
Totally using that.
Just to poke a little fun.
I had a tree avalanche come on me.
He hit me with a snowball, and then that tree just dumped a bunch on top of it. There'll be no assaults from outside the circle.
Never assault goes in his own bay.
Right there, that would be perfect. Kind of off to the left, I think. So you think?
What?
If I rope long enough like that tree, that tree.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I can run them kind of to the left. They don't have to be centered because it's too. Or I can put them back here on the east, which was kind of nice.
That tree just avalanched. It just cleaned itself for you. What are you guys doing?
Stomping it down.
Just lightly shovel it.
You can.
He's so busy criticizing, he doesn't listen.
You are correct, sir.
This is what's termed failure of leadership.
You're the leader.
There's literally multiple points of failure.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is like a Marine Corps
He's
class.
wrong in everybody but himself.
Never once said that. Never once said that. What a sad
and your-
lineage
you
we
and
have
your-
going on here.
You and your fancy words. There you go, you're through, baby. You want to talk about
It's
now?
backwards.
It is backwards.
That's what I told you. It needed to face inboard.
I know, and I kept telling you you're going the wrong way. You kept telling me no.
mother.
Because I kept saying we're going this way,
Son
dude.
of
And you were too busy telling me I was wrong. You were listening that you were wrong.
How does this go?
Like this.
Yeah, that was what I. This was the right way.
No, you had it in this way.
Oh, because I gotta go the other tree.
It's okay, Marnie. Okay, do you need a crayon? Do you need a crayon?
Yeah.
You need, what is it, orange? Is your flavor orange?
Send me. You cut that part out.
Edit.
You just edit the last 5 minutes out of that, please.
Yes. She knows what she's doing. She's good at that.
Yeah, she always makes you look good.
Yeah. Well, that's the goal.
This is my job.
Accurate.
You're responsible for yourself here,
Yeah.
but she'll make me look good.
You're up. Don't f this up, Air Force.
Theoretically, he's the smartest one here.
Yeah. Exactly.
And apparently
Theoretically.
it's Air Force method just to watch the other branches argue and stay out of it.
I wish you put as much effort into this as you did talking.
You're a f***ing leader, aren't you? You're a f***ing leader of men. I smell that sarcasm everywhere.
It is just dumping off those trees.
That's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it is.
We call Thor in, and the whole place just says boom.
We all get shook up and just.
He does have a sense of humor.
Yeah. We'll all have a good laugh.
Horn of meat's gonna turn into a snow cone.
Like,
Yeah.
just like, I'll give
Meat
this one to them.
slushy.
Meat slushy.